Slowly, Aliyah. No, bawal dyan. Ah, sige, pwede. Kaso nakalock yan eh.
Buhat ba na lang ako?
Hindi pwede. And open, oh. Tignan mo. Oo, dyan. No, close yan. May lock yan eh.
Oh, the giraffe. Oh, in the giraffe.
Where's the giraffe?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Where I want to get inside.
Punta ka dun, oh. May animals. May animals dun. Slowly.
Let's go.
Sige, punta ka dun sa
Where?
animals.
I was not there.
Dito, punta
I
ka.
want to try.
Train yan eh. Ikaw yung driver. Sige. Go. Drive.
Bye bye. Come over here. Train is going. Come closer. Okay.
Doon sa animals, baby.
Oh, I want to there. Hippo.
Baby. Dito ka, oh. Ayun, may hippo, oh. Ang laki. Aliyah. Ayun, may hippo. Ang laki.
Anong hippo?
Ano hippo? Hippopotamus. Ayun, oh. Tsaka tiger. Leopard. Touch mo yung teeth niya.
Ah,
Don't be scared.
oh, that's wrong.
Oo. Oh, ikaw. Go. Be careful, okay?
Daddy. There. Right over here. Dito tayo.
Oo.
Dito tayo sa step.
Oo.
Tush.
Bawal ang big boy dyan eh. Kasi mababasag yan, makakrack. Light yan, oh, light. Ikaw lang, baby guy. Sige, go. Get in. Go ahead.
Oh, elephant. I want to step.
Oh, let's go. Ayaw ka lang dito, oh, baby. Go. Ayaw mo? Oh, let's go. Pawis ka na, oh.
Open.
No, punta tayo dun sa garden. Mag-walk ka.
Where's the food?
There's no other people here. We are all alone. Only you and me, oh.
Hey, I don't like.
You don't like? Why? It's not scary. Liga. Dito tayo. Ikot lang tayo.
Ayoko.
Ayaw mo?
Open.
Bakit ayaw mo?